there guys! If you've been a viewer of my channel for quite a while, you'll know that being a big fan of Ghostbusters and certain other films that got this particular snack food in, that when I went to the States a few times, I had to have a Twinkie. And other certain times I've had friends on YouTube who've sent me DVDs in the past, who have also sent me Twinkies as well. And just lately I found out that a company called B&M and also Sainsbury's are now stocking American foods. And today I went to a B&M and I've picked up the last 2 packets of Key Lime Slime Ghostbusters limited edition Twinkies. Yes, I originally picked up 2 of these, but the best before date is the 21st of the 9th 16, so technically it's slightly out of date from last month, so I'm going to probably chuck away a few of these, but taste test 2 for you and keep another 2 for later on, but get rid of the rest of them. But I'm really keen on trying these ones out because they're Ghostbusters related. I'll also edit in a video of me taste testing other Twinkies I've had in the past. I asked her to pick up for me, as when I've been to America a few times, I always have these if I can do, and that is Hostess Twinkies. I've got 4 packs of these here. So that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I think I'll open up one of those now and try one for you. So, you know, if you're from the UK, then they don't sell these, but let's have a taste of one. There you go. And inside you've got like creamy filling. But let's open these up and do a little taste test here. But yeah, I'm pretty happy to find out they're actually stocking American foods now in either Sainsbury's. Be careful here because technically I actually want to keep the box for my Ghostbusters collection. So I'm going to be quite careful here, guys. So just needs to be kind of careful there. And there they are in the box. There's a box of 10. There they are there just inside the box. Pretty cool. So let's take one out and try one. As you can see, they're individually wrapped. You can probably see, you might be able to see the key lime slime cream inside. But let's open one up and try one. There for a minute. Now it tastes just like, you can taste a little bit of the lime. I think it's just like normal cream, but given a lime flavour and a green colouring. You may be able to see a bit of the green just inside there, but it tastes pretty cool. the joke in Ghostbusters when Egon has a Twinkie, he's talking about something, and for some reason during the conversation, actually he's talking to Winston, he says, "That's a big Twinkie." Let's try one more here for a minute. Also, guys, if you've tried one of these as well, please let me know what you think of it in the comments of this video. Right. Going to open this bag here. Trouble getting this one out. No. I'm going to probably get some of the normal Twinkies from Sainsbury's at some point. So I might do another video trying out a normal one again, because it's been a while since I had one of those you know, kind. But for a limited edition, Ghostbusters, because this is like a promotional item for the new Ghostbusters 2016 film. But I like them. So this is my video and taste test or review of the limited edition Ghostbusters Key Lime Slime Twinkies. I have some new videos in the pipeline. I recently got done finished editing my Ghostbusters 1984 movie review and discussion video. I'm going to start doing my review and discussion video of Ghostbusters 2 soon. And then I have some other movie reviews that I want to do. I'm going to do an edition of a movie for every year of my life soon, and also a Grim Fandango video game playthrough. But when these videos are all done, I'm going to upload them like daily. I'm not going to upload them straight away. But until my next video, whenever it may be, goodbye and take care for now, guys.